Hello, my name is Gabriel and we're here with JetSurf USA, and in today's video we're going to be going over 6 points that you should check before you ride. We're making sure that your board is working correctly. Starting by point number 1, you want to make sure that you always have fuel or your fuel line is connected. Point number 2 is you want to make sure that you have your sensor connected, and this is going to be corresponding to all 2019 and 2018 direct fuel and electronic fuel injection models. For point number 3, you want to make sure that you have your spark plug connected correctly and that it's working correctly. Now, for point number 4, you want to make sure that you have your starter working correctly, and to be able to test that, you put your key into your light. That will essentially activate your starter. You'll be able to check if the starter is working correctly. For point number 5, you want to make sure that your board is charged and ready to go. And for point number 6, you want to do a freewheel test to make sure it's not engaged. So you want to go clockwise to make sure it engages and you hear the piston going up and down. And if you go counterclockwise, that freewheel is going to be spinning free. There's not going to be any engagement, no sound. So that's essentially going to conclude our video for today. You always want to make sure that these 6 points you want to go over if your board is not working correctly, not starting, or if you want to essentially troubleshoot and check your board before every time you go out and ride. Hope you guys have a great time and have a great day.